Most of us spend a staggering amount of daily energy trying to force unpredictable events into rigid, preferred patterns. We map out exactly how our week should go, and when reality deviates, we feel a constant, draining friction as we struggle to wrestle it back on track. This effort reflects a specific assumption: the belief that we are the sole engine responsible for generating and directing every ounce of our own forward momentum. To address this fatigue, we have to look past our own planning and observe the mechanical reality of how motion actually functions in the physical world. Albert Einstein suggested this outward focus is key to solving complex problems, advising us to look deep into nature to understand the world better. Looking deep into those mechanics suggests that mastering our lives involves surrendering to the pre-existing movements already occurring all around us. Consider a small patch of ferns growing along a stone path. Here, we find the smallest unit of impact. A single fly lands on a frond, its weight bouncing the leaf down toward the earth before it springs back. This initial kinetic energy scales up instantly when a passing squirrel brushes against the vegetation. The squirrel's contact sets up a little quake of movement, a chain reaction that spreads through the surrounding stems. A gentle breeze then captures this energy, turning the individual quakes into a delicate, coordinated dance. Eventually, a larger wave of wind takes over, moving the entire field in deep, rhythmic sweeps that mirror seaweed stirred by a tide. Massive, unstoppable movements on Earth begin with these almost undetectable micro-impacts simply passing their energy forward. This outward push of energy continues upward, moving from the waving tree canopy into the blue of the upper atmosphere. Planetary mechanics expand this interconnected web of momentum further, reaching outward toward the moon and the sun. At the furthest reaches of this energy transfer, we see the colossal scale of momentum required to ignite a flare of gas across the vastness of interstellar space. While the scales are vastly different, this cosmic expansion and the tiny bouncing fern leaf are part of the exact same unbroken kinetic chain. Lao Tzu recognized this effortless, large-scale movement, noting that while nature does not hurry, everything is still accomplished. Power is not generated in isolation. It is accessed by tapping into a cosmic chain reaction that is already in motion. When we pivot from this cosmic perspective back to our own internal state, our struggle for absolute control feels increasingly out of sync with reality. If the universe is a machine of constant energy transfer and change, attempting to hold on to any single moment is a physical impossibility. A different psychological framework emerges here. Those who choose to flow as life flows discover they need no other force. Look at your own day. What current or inspiration is naturally moving you forward right now without resistance? Now identify the exact point of friction, the pattern you are exhausting yourself trying to maintain. Identify one small, heavily controlled part of that routine and release it to the wind. Reaching our destination is a matter of having the courage to release our resistance and ride the momentum that is already moving.